A lot of people are into adding filters onto the lens these days, you know, adding black pro mists, glimmer glass. Those are pretty nice too, but the real thing has a different feel to it, which you guys might even dig a little bit more. Oh my days! Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know I haven't been uploading a lot of videos, and I'm pretty much sure that this video isn't gonna get any views because this channel's been dead for quite a while, right? And when you're not uploading a lot of videos, the YouTube algorithm is not gonna be friendly. So this is just gonna get about like 50 views, 60 views. Just wanted to make a video for you guys because just wanted to share this new product that I got, which is the Smoke B machine, a fog machine that I got for my filmmaking content, right? So I still do filmmaking jobs time to time, not a full time. I do filmmaking stuff just for my personal stuff, marketing purposes. But I felt like I always needed a fog machine, right? Because when you're shooting music videos or other stuff, contents like that, a fog is always a cool effect, you know, that you want to have, right? It's essential. Apart from that, when you're trying to add a bit more emotion to the set the tone, a haze is really nice because, you know, cinematographers, we all love haze. So that's why I got this, right? This is very compact. This is I don't know, I'm not sure if a lot of you guys know this. The popular brand a lot of you guys might know is the Smoke Genie machine, which is, for me, I think is overpriced because the price I got this is just way amazing, right? So let's open this up, right? So in here you get an instruction manual, and this is what you get. All right, I'm not gonna focus too much on the quality of the video because, you know, adding b-rolls, it's cool. I'll show you what this will do, but I'm not gonna make this my the initial review video that I used to do before, because I think it's always about the information that comes first, then the quality. So this is what you get in the box. It's like a vape machine. If you ever smoked electronic cigarettes, this is the main machine that you get. And this is the haze filter that you add on, and you get a bunch more accessories, which I'll be talking about later on. And this is the fluid that you get, and inside here you get 6 fluids, which one is equivalent about 12 milliliters each, and it's pretty nice. You know, I thought for this price you're not gonna get a carrying case, you're not gonna get quality stuff. It's plastic, but trust me, this does the job. So the first thing you might be noticing is, what does this do, right? So I'm gonna add some haze into this room first, just to show you guys what this does. So I'm gonna press this button for 2 seconds to turn it on, and you can see the blue light turns on. And you never want to smoke this, okay? If you want to smoke vape, go buy a vape, or you know, go to a cigar shop. Don't inhale this, okay? And this is what you add on top, and then you turn this on, right? So this is a fan machine. I'm sure you can hear that. So what this does is it spreads the smoke, because a fog itself is very thick, and a thick fog with the fan machine on top will thin out the smoke. So press twice on the button here to release the smoke. All right, there it goes. And you can just try to fill in the room with this. As you can see, it's pretty heavy, right? Oh my days. Okay, as you can see, I think I just turned this on about like 3 seconds, and in about 3 seconds a small room like this is already, voila, it's set. Let the room to get to know each other with the smoke, right? Let them mingle a little bit. All right, I think right about now is the time you can say roll camera and roll video. And I'm gonna put some side by side probably. This is with the smoke added, and this is with the smoke before. So as you can see, it only takes about 3 seconds. Doesn't take much time, like the regular fog machines that's pretty much big. It has its purposes, if you're shooting in a big environment, studio sets, you need those big machines. But the downside of those big machines, it takes time to charge up. The time that you need for the person who's in charge to say, hey, come on, turn the smoke on. But he's like, come on, it's still charging. Just wait a little bit. You cut down all the process. And another benefit to this, it's realistic, right? You know how Christopher Nolan always emphasizes practical effects than CGI. And at the same time, a lot of people are into adding filters onto the lens these days, adding black pro mists, glimmer glass. Those are pretty nice too. But the real thing has a different feel to it, which you guys might even dig a little bit more. You can also change the fan settings into stronger, lesser, and all that stuff on. And the other things that you can also do are for product shots. So whenever you're shooting something that's a bit more close-up, details, especially if you're shooting beverage with something that's very fresh, emphasizes freshness, something with ice, you can add these things to add a certain look. This is my second thing that I like. This is the dry ice effect, kind of a sponge, and there's a hole inside, and you put this on here, and then you add this on top, right? Like that. So press twice to turn it on, and you'll see what the effect does. So as you can see, the texture of the smoke is a lot different. Shit, like I said, you don't want to inhale this, but I just did. The smell is not too bad. It's not something that will make the actors go, oh, what is that smell? It feels natural. There is a certain smell, but it's not bad. Okay, so that's another thing. And there are more accessories here that comes with, which you guys can check it out. But pretty much I dig this. I've filled up the whole room, but it seems like I'm not using it at all. It's full. So I think 6 oil tanks that you get with the package, I think you're good to go for about 6 months if you're using it on a daily basis. But if you are just keeping this into one of your arsenals, I think you can use this for a long time. Also, lastly, which I forgot to mention, is a Bluetooth remote control right here, which turns on from a distance. If you're putting this behind a product, you can just stay behind the camera and let the thing do its work. But personally for me, I like to do things on my own. Or if you're shooting a really, really wide shot and you're on top of a building, not top of a building, maybe top into like a second floor level, and the camera is set up right over the top, and you want the fog to be coming from the bottom, then that might be useful. Of course, comes with a C-type cable for you to charge. All right, here's a controlled smoke. This is the controlled smoke that it comes with, and let's try turning this on. As you can see, it's very controlled, right? I dig this, and I think this is just enough for what I need for my shoots whenever if I need one. Maybe the downside I just felt like trying this product out is that it brings too much smoke. If you know what I mean. It's a bit more powerful than I thought. So filling in is just a certain amount just for you to control a certain effect. Let's say you just want a corner that's a bit smoky and that corner is not. I think that's quite difficult to achieve. Apart from that, just for hazing the room, I think this is good enough. Let me know what you guys think about this product. I highly recommend it if you are trying to get one for filmmaking, for cinematography, or for your music videos. It's quite affordable. Comes with a nice carrying case, so it's compact. And yeah, I think it's essential for any filmmakers to have these days because everyone's trying to get that beautiful shots, right? So why not get one? If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next time. Peace.